There have been some significant new leaks, or last-minute leaks, concerning the impending Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro smartphones. New unboxing videos, information on the phone's colors, camera samples, and benchmark scores are all included in these leaks. The Pixel 8 Pro comes in 3 colors, and we have videos for 2 of them. One of the colors is named Bay, and it is a vivid blue. Let's begin with the unpacking. The Pixel 8 Pro boasts vibrant color choices, unlike the iPhone 15 Pro Max. In the package of the phone you'll get a USB-C cable and an OTG connection, but unlike many other firms, Google doesn't offer a charger, so you'll need to acquire one with at least 30 watts of electricity. It has a matte back that hides fingerprints less than the ordinary Pixel 8, which has a glossy back. Let's now examine the phone itself. The Pixel 8 Pro features thin bezels around the screen and an optical fingerprint reader on the front rather than an ultrasonic one, like on Samsung's phones. The Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro cameras are included in the following samples. The photos, even those taken in low light, appear great thanks to the various lenses available for the Pixel 8 Pro's various zoom settings. When the phone is actually released, software upgrades may make it even better, so keep in mind that these photos could be compressed for Twitter. Camera samples are also included with the normal Pixel 8. Now let's speak about test results. The Pixel 8 Pro and Pixel 8 Plus both featured on the benchmarking website Geekbench, and the scores indicate that the new Tensor G3 CPU in the Pixel 8 Pro performs similarly to the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip from last year. Even if it isn't as powerful as some other phones, like as the S23 Ultra, it is still a significant improvement over the Pixel 7 Pro. When comparing year over year, the CPU performance of the Pixel 8 Pro is 20% greater than the Pixel 7 Pro. The impending Pixel phones are therefore the subject of these intriguing facts. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.